up? So it's the next day. Yesterday we went to the port to pick up those 2 JDM vans. What I want to do today is finally see if those Acty lips fit. Also, I want to give away a free slot on the Suzuki Alto Works. We're down to 125 slots. So make sure to watch the whole video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna let you guys know in a little bit exactly what you need to do to enter to win one of the free slots. But it's currently 7 in the morning. I'm going to go pick up Toshi in the Cappuccino. I can't wait to get his reaction on this. And I'm not sure if Toshi needs to head back to DC right away, but I would love for him to tell us a little more about this Hiace, maybe about the Delica. This thing is loaded with features, like when I put the key here, the seat instantly moves forward for a better driving position. This back and clearance sonar. Everyone loves an ETC reader. Love the digital dash, retractable mirrors, a bunch of stuff. I'm curious to see if those screens work, so let's head back there while I wait for him to text me from the airport. I'm sure there's probably like a power button though, right? Oh, it's right here. Damn. That one doesn't work. Or maybe the car needs to be on. I'm not sure. I want him to get a full experience of doing the cold start, so I'm not gonna touch it too much. But yeah, these things are huge. Maybe they're just all disconnected. But imagine going on a road trip and having some type of streaming service on this one or that one, or that one, or all of them. Maybe you're just back here with the homies watching a fight, watching some Netflix. I could really lay down fully here. And this is the life, man. One day I'll get one of these. I'll add this to my very long list of cars that I want to buy. Just like this Delica Chimone. Being back here kind of reminds me of my L400. If you guys don't remember, I had a Delica. You click the corner to see it. And I drove it all the way to Atlanta and back. And I slept in it. Because if you push this seat forward, you pull it down. Same thing with this one. You pull it forward and lay down. It's a very comfortable bed. I did it around fall too, so it wasn't too hot or cold. But mine was a regular 2-wheel drive on like street tires. It wasn't 4-wheel drive. It was stick though. It was a column shifter. Shout out to the homie Bradley, who lived in Michigan and then sold it to me. And then I enjoyed it, and then I traded it to Frank. And then Frank enjoyed it and then traded it back to me. And then I sold it to someone in Kansas City. That car honestly was in all over. If you're watching it, the homie in Kansas City, let me know how that Delica is doing. But all right, Toshi just texted me that he's ready. Can't wait to get his reaction. Not that this is the fastest K car ever, but I think it's one of the cleanest cappuccinos. I think it sounds great. I think it makes all the right sounds. So I love introducing people to this car, just because I'm sure they've seen it all over my Instagram and YouTube, but to be a passenger, to maybe even drive it if he wants to drive it, it's a much different experience. I was talking to Slater from JDM Hawaii yesterday, and I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna sell this. Like, I keep saying I'm gonna sell it, and the reason I want to sell it is not because I don't like it or I'm tired of it. It's actually because I just need to fund more projects. Like, I'm about to sell a lot of my silver. If anyone's into like silver and old currency, and you're a hoarder or like a big spender like me, I'm about to sell a lot of that stuff. You can message me on Instagram. I'm about to sell a lot of my crypto. But I sell a lot of stuff, honestly. A lot of things that I've been saving as like safety blankets. I just feel like I need to invest more, and I need more capital for WayBeforeTheFame to continue to grow. And I have a lot of big ideas that I want to do this year, and I need to get them done. And I could either wait to accumulate that money, or I can just say, F it, life's short, just do it. And I'm gonna go with the second option. But we just got to the airport. Let's pick up Toshi, complete this white glove service. Picked up his car yesterday from the port, drove it all the way home, put some gas in it. Now you're getting picked up in a cappuccino.
The Diesel Brothers.
The Diesel Brothers pulled up. About to go on a road trip. I wish we could see this. Go this real quick, see if it, look at this flex, I didn't even realize. Damn. Yeah, these are off to the next stop, next destination. Well, I didn't realize I had this up there too.
Just go straight and turn around. Give me some good road though. I need good road.
Yeah, you could go all the way to the stop sign.
That's the thing with K cars. When you let off the gas, it's just it's like this.
Yeah. You go right up. fast in the mirror?
It's too quick to judge.
Yeah. I don't think this is one of the. I don't think this is one of the fastest like K cars though.
If you could have driven the mirror though.
I wish I could have, man. If the dude who bought it is watching, one day I can drive. Where do you live in? DC, Maryland?
I think New Jersey.
Oh wow, even better.
Yeah.
The shifter's tight, right?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you replace the bushings or
Yeah, I
something?
replaced the bushings and like just made it stiff.
It didn't drone either.
No, it's actually really like good.
God, this wheel is nice though.
Really, I hate it.
Really? No, it's not an RD. That's kind of what made me think.
Well,
that.
I put that horn there.
Oh.
I had no horn before.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
But is this an RD wheel?
I don't even know what it is. It came off the rusty one.
I like this. On the same. J. Cole. You see, he removed that track.
Yeah, I know. I went to look at it today. Look.
That wasn't too hard, was it?
No, I'm good. I'm good. This car. I drove from LA. I don't think you can abuse it more than driving it from LA.
All right. Well, honestly, it's pretty. It's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, you can make it left.
Left right here.
Yeah.
It's pretty comfortable sitting in here.
The seat is very comfortable.
Honestly, the part of getting in here for me was just not the bad part, but
you can go around.
it's
There's a car coming around.
Yeah, it's just not comfortable to drop in.
And you could like really rev it out. Like, how am I gonna sell this to anyone?
Oh no, it's not. Yeah. Honestly, I just roll around making noises.
Yeah, literally.
And honestly, the wheels fit it. Like I can't imagine seeing it with.
I want to put those tri-spokes you gave me.
Yeah, but you need some nice
bigger
looking
tires.
tires.
Yeah, they're too thin.
Like you could go bigger tires on these, probably.
Yeah, they're just 16s.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Pretty big. But no one's gave
But
me
BBSs are worth money.
no, they're worth. No one's gave me any real money, so like that's why I'm not taking them off. I'm not gonna have those $1,000 rims in my garage.
Yeah, especially when you step out of a 15 in a BBS.
Yeah.
It's quick. What did you think about that yellow cap?
The orange one?
Nah, the
the girl?
the yellow one. Yeah, with the
Hers is
clear.
sick. I saw it before though.
Same body kit, right?
Same front bumper. I didn't realize she has a different rear bumper. But yeah, hers is really nice. I like the wing too.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, usually I'm not a big wing guy, but I think with the kit it's already obnoxious, so why not add to it? But I want to drive over there. I think I'm gonna drive this to either Montreal next week or Atlanta at some point, or Miami at some point. Yeah, I got homies over there. I just want to do another road trip before I get rid of it, honestly. And in Montreal, we're gonna go here. The blow valve is so like.
I could just do that all day.
You could, when you let off slow, it almost like it's like whistles. Like when I drive it, like if you give it some boost and then like go it off slowly, it goes.
So I plug mine on the mirror and I'd hit a bump and my foot would go twitchy and it would just go.
Yeah.
You're just
literally.
making like multiple noises.
Then you're gonna turn right over here.
Should do another off-road build too.
I want to.
My guy told me that he thinks this one seems quicker, and it seems so much faster. You didn't even have this button on, the ECT.
No, I had it on normal.
So yeah, it's way more peppier with that.
Really? I don't think I went over 80 miles per 80 kilometers.
Night and day difference.
Damn. Finally got to the homie over here in Queens. If you guys remember, I wanted to buy this Hiace van, but instead I got that Honda Street. This one just had potential because the outside was pretty clean. The interior really wasn't the best, but it was 4-wheel drive, 150 kilometers. That's not the worst, 5-speed. I wonder what he's doing to it right now, but good news. Look at the Honda lip. It fits perfectly. It goes into this little thing here. See that little indent? That's the before. And then pretty easily, I guess I don't know how you would really suck it on, but if you just do that, surprisingly with the way that this is shaped, you see how it's exactly the way it needs to be? Looks sick. Look at me having all the cool Honda parts. I think it's like that.
Like that.
Yeah, I think it's more like that. And you just have to find a way to really secure it. How would you secure it?
Probably 3M tape and then like the rivets or screws.
This one is a more clean than that one.
There's some of the outside's just bad, but the inside's mint. No AC, but not the end of the world.
The inside's clean on this.
Yeah, it doesn't have AC. I don't know if that matters to you.
Oh yeah, it does.
Then it has the nice Gathers Honda radio with all these cool little stickers. So now let's talk about the free slot. All you need to do to enter is comment a number between 1 and 2,000. I'll show you guys what number is behind this Maserati plate in the next video. And we are down to the last 120 slots. Next stop, Impress Auto Styling. Had to get some decals for the Alto. So as you can see, mine is a bit chopped up. We got this new Suzuki Alto Works, the same exact size. And I printed 2 of these. So this is the way it looks on the car. Same colors and everything, the gray with the red, RSZ. But you know me, we gotta add some color to it. So I did black instead of gray. You can see that's gray, that's black. And then it still kind of has a little gradient. And then just WBTF. Gonna put this here like that. And then I believe after this, we're pretty much like 100% done with the Alto. I put these new wheels back on. I'm not going to speak about it too much just yet, but the sound has significantly decreased. So I think Rob Green was the one that told me about the taller tires, and maybe some other people commented on it, but maybe it just needs to be driven on these 15s. So when the waffle's over, I'll see if the winner wants these. If not, I'll put the 14s back on. But I do have to say, it does sound, I wouldn't say it's completely gone, but it's much quieter and you don't even really realize now. But I'm in this video here. They're wrapping that Maserati right now, so I don't think they could put the decal on themselves. So I'll probably just get like a heat gun, remove the Suzuki Alto Works over here, polish it up a little bit, and then I'll just see exactly where the WBTF goes here, and I'll put that on myself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Subscribe to the channel. Road to 30K.